What's up, 4Runner owners? Today we're going to talk about how to program a brand new key fob into your 4th generation 4Runner. Before we get into it, if you want to check out some Toyota content that's actually entertaining, be sure to look up my main channel, 4Runner Customs, or if you want to see some custom built and designed mods for these vehicles, check out 4runnercustoms.com. Now let's get into the video. Whether your last one broke or you lost it or you never had one to begin with, we're going to tell you exactly how to make it so it unlocks and locks your doors. All right, so the first thing we did, I printed out a little list here. I'll leave this in the description because there's a lot of steps, but let's walk through them now. So first to start, you're making sure all your doors are unlocked, and then you want to pop open this driver's door like this. Then you take your key and you insert and remove it in the ignition twice. So you don't turn it, you just put it in, take it out. So 1, 2. Then you're supposed to close and open this twice. So 1, 2. Now you go back to the ignition and you go in and out once. And you close this twice again. So 1, 2. Now you take this, put it in the ignition, and you leave it. Close the door, turn the key to on, and then back off. And then remove the key. So what you just saw was the lock cycling, which means we're in programming mode. Now they cycled once, which means we're in programming mode. If they were to cycle twice or nothing at all, you got to start over. So once we're in programming mode, you take the new fob and you press the lock and unlock buttons at the same time. So you got to hold these down for a few seconds. So it says to hold them for about 1.5 seconds. After that, press and hold the lock. And what it just happened was I held them down for 2 seconds, I let go, I pressed and held the lock, and you saw the cycle there. That means that it is paired. So this is good. This is good to go. So to end the programming mode, all you gotta do is pop the door, and then from there on, this will work. So I press unlock, or I press lock, it locks. I press unlock, it unlocks. So like I said, follow these steps, and we're good to go. We have a brand new key fob. It's not OEM, it's just from Amazon, real basic. And now we have it paired to our 4Runner, so we can go back to the keyless entry. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys appreciated this, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.